Good morning, everybody. Guys, good morning. Who can hear my voice?
Yes, Mr. I can hear you.
Okay, Abdullah, thank you so much. Okay, let me share screen. Can you see this page?
Mr. We see files, but we don't see the file itself.
Okay. I'm trying again. And now?
Yes, Mr. We can see it now.
Okay. I think we started yesterday to answer the questions and we stopped in number 15. Am I right?
Mr. Can I see number 15 again to make sure?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I think we did. Yes, Mr.
Okay. We are going to start in starting from number 16 to 25 for today. And then we are going to deal with a grammar lesson in punctuation.
Okay, Mr.
Okay, Judy, good morning. Now, we are, how many students are there? Only 5. 6 including me. So I will wait for a minute. Okay. Then I will start soon. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, let's start in number 16. An abridged dictionaries often alert the reader to common mistakes in the use of a word by including brief space. We have caveats and scourges. Yes, which one do you think is correct?
Caveats.
This is Abdullah's answer, right?
Okay, sorry.
No. Welcome. But I want more answers.
Mr. That wasn't me. That was another person talking.
Who? Yusuf?
Yes.
Okay, Yusuf.
I also answered that caveat, Mr.
Okay. What about, let me check the participants. Yes, Ammar. Good morning, Ammar. Good morning, Isra. What do you think, Ammar? If you don't have a mic, please write in the chat box. Okay, Ammar. 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 Yes. Isra, good morning, Mister. Okay, thank you, Isra. Do you think the answer is Kavis or Kurs? Yes. Which one is correct, Isra? Yes, that's right. Okay, thank you, Isra. Mr. My mic isn't working right now. Okay, you can communicate by writing in the chat box, Ammar. Okay, so number 17. The newly elected judge ruled his courtroom with a king's space and no one dared to act in an unruly fashion. Amnesty or autonomy? If you remember the meaning of each one, amnesty means, you remember? Any act of forgiveness, right? While autonomy, self-control or self-government, political control. So the answer is Abdurrahman. What is the answer?
Autonomy.
Autonomy. Yes, I totally agree with you, Abdurrahman. Autonomy is correct. Thank you so much. Yes. Good. Okay. Number 18. Isn't it strange that the basic ideas that some economists regarded as space are rejected by others as absolutely false? Let me check that chat box. Yeah, this is number 17. I want number, okay, you are right. But I want number 18.
Axiomatic.
I think Yusuf answered axiomatic. Okay. Judy, what do you think of number 18? Ammar, answer okay. Isra, okay. Judy Ayman. Okay, yes, good, right. You are right, all of you are right. Yes, axiomatic is the correct answer. Thank you. And now, let's see number 19. Today, our intricate network of mass communications can space news of national importance across the country in the matter of minutes. Pleasant or flout? If you remember the meaning of each one. Okay, flout, to mock or to laugh at, to scorn, while pleasant means display or show or other, right? Broadcast. I think now it's easy. I make it easier for you. So yes, I'm going to check your answers. Abdullah said pleasant. Okay. Ammar said flout. I agree with Abdullah. Okay. Yes, pleasant is correct. To broadcast. Okay. Broadcast. Good. Number 20. The ghost of Hamlet's father whispered in space tones the story of his tragic death. Okay. Again, we have two words. If you remember the meaning of each one, soporific means tending to cause sleep. Okay, while sepulchral means funeral or an atmosphere of gloomy. Which one?
The first one.
Yes, exactly. That's right. Thank you, Yusuf. Okay, good. Now we are dealing with number 21. Few things are more space for a young person than occasional painful reminder that life is not about of cherries. Yes.
Unwieldy.
Let's check the meaning before telling you the correct answer. Okay. Salutary means beneficial or helpful or healthful, while the other word unwieldy means not easily carried because of the size or complexity, right? This is the meaning of each one. So which one do you think is correct? This one or that one? Yusuf, again, have you read the sentence again?
Yes.
I think now you will change your mind, right?
No, I still think it's unwieldy.
Sorry?
I still think it's unwieldy.
No, my dear. Check the meaning again, my dear. Salutary means beneficial or helpful. Okay?
Unwieldy means not easily handled.
Unwieldy means, yeah, something, yeah. Unwieldy means not easily carried.
Okay, and the sentence shows that something is hard for the young person.
No, something is useful.
Yes. Mr. I agree with him that it is unwieldy.
No. Salutary means useful, my dear. Few
Okay,
things
and-
are more useful or helpful for a young person than occasional painful reminder that life is not all of cherries.
But it's a painful reminder, mister. It's a painful reminder for him.
Yeah, few things are more helpful, are
Okay,
more
so it's not
helpful.
helpful. It's hard to carry.
No, for a young person than occasional painful reminder that life is not, because life is not casual. So it's useful for him. It's beneficial for him. Okay?
Remember then that
Yeah.
life is not easy in all time.
It may be, but I think flattery is more suitable for the meaning of this sentence. Okay? Number 22. In spite of the tremendous sales of that novel, I found it to be mediocre and space in every respect. Slightly or vapid?
But
Yeah, this time I agree with you. Yes, it's vapid, it's correct. Okay. Number 23. The popular self-help book teaches that material things are space while moral values are eternal. Okay,
transient.
we have transient and fractious. Can you remember the meaning of each one?
Transient is not lasting.
Sorry, I couldn't hear. Yes, transient mean doesn't take a long time, lasting only for a short time. That's right. Okay, that's why is transient. Yes. Hmm?
Yeah, transient is the right answer.
Good. Yeah, exactly. Transient is the correct answer. Okay, now we are in number 24. I think we have already revised the meaning of pleasant and flout. Okay, young people who consider themselves nonconformists often go to extremes in their determination to pleasant or flout the conventions.
Pleasant.
Cloud.
Loud, Mr.
Abdurrahman said pleasant, and I think Abdullah and Yusuf said flout, right? Let
Yes.
me ask. Let me ask whom? Judy and Isra. Ammar, Abdullah said flout. Okay. Judy and Isra. Which word is correct? In 24. Isra said pleasant. No, it's a flout. The correct answer is flout. Now, the last sentence in Unit 5, officials who took bribes were indicated with no hope of an amnesty or autonomy.
Amnesty.
It's so easy. Yes. Forgiveness. Yeah. Good. Thank you so much. It's amnesty. Yes. No. Just amnesty. Okay, now please everybody take a screenshot to the exercise to keep it with you in case of needing it. Okay, quickly before going to the punctuation. Yes, quickly and tell me. Yalla, because I'm going to make a new share. Have you done?
Mr. I can't clearly see number 1.
Number 1.
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Okay. How can I help you again?
I'm done with number 1. I'm done with the first page.
This is the second. Shall I go to the third?
Yes. 7 and 8, Mr. 7 and 8.
7 and 8, okay. 9, 10.
And in 1 second. Yes.
11, 12.
Yes.
Yes, 13 and 14.
13 and 14.
15 and 16.
Yes.
17 and 18.
One
Yes.
second. Yes.
and 20.
Yes.
Yeah, 21 and 2.
Yes.
Three and 4.
Yes.
Finally, 25.
Sir, can you go number 3 and 4?
3 and 4 again.
Yes.
Okay, Abdurrahman.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Mr.
Always welcome, my dear. Now let's see another page. No, not this one.
Now grammar, right, Mr.?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Can you see it now?
No, Mr.
Okay, just a minute. And now? Huh? Can you see it?
Yes.
Sorry, can you see this page? Guys,
Yes.
okay. Now, commas with independent clauses. Okay. In quarter 2, we studied clauses and we said that independent clauses that are the ones who can stand alone and have complete ideas, right? So we are going to use commas with independent clauses. Let's see. Use a comma before a coordinating conjunction, like fanboys. Like fanboys. Okay? Coordinating conjunctions are fanboys. When joins independent clauses, look, the speaker was late, so this is one of the fanboys or coordinating conjunction. And look, we have a comma before so, a comma before and. But when they joined two independent clauses, so the meeting didn't start until 9 o'clock. We have an independent clause. The speaker was late. It has a complete thought. It has a subject and a verb. The speaker subject is a verb. Look after so. The meeting is a subject. Didn't start is a verb. And each one of them has its own idea. So we use one of the fanboys preceded by a comma. Another example, yesterday was hot and humid. This is a complete thought in this sentence. Come, but a coordinating conjunction. Today the weather is mild. Okay? Now we have a very important note. Don't confuse a compound sentence with a simple sentence that has a compound verb. Let's see these two examples together. We enjoy the music, and here and then a verb. But in the second one, and and then a subject. So the above sentence is simple sentence with a compound verb, enjoyed and found. But in the second one, we have two simple sentences, not one, like the above one. In the first sentence, we have just one simple sentence with two compound verbs. While the second one we have a compound sentence which consists of two simple sentences or two independent sentences. Look, we subject enjoyed verb. We subject found a verb. Is it clear? So with a simple sentence, we don't need to use a comma. But with a compound sentence, we have to use a comma before coordinating conjunction. If you have a question, please tell me. If you have a question, please tell me. Guys, do you have a question?
No, mister.
Okay, now let's see exercise A. Add commas where they are needed in the following sentence. This means that not all the sentences need commas, okay? If a sentence is already correct, write C before the item number. Look at the example. Here and Timothy invited me to the game. But a coordinating conjunction. I had already made other plans. I have a simple sentence, an independent sentence, and I have another independent sentence with a subject and a verb, I. So in the middle, we have a coordinated conjunction, so it must be preceded by a comma. Now look at the sentences and prepare your answers for 2 minutes. Okay, you will have 2 minutes to read them and prepare the answers. Quickly, please. Okay, have you finished them or not yet?
Yes, mister.
All of you, yes? Okay. Now, number 1. Okay. Yes, Ammar. Number 1. You can write in the chat box, Ammar. Write if it needs a comma, write it needs, and where should I put it? Yes, before but. Yes, Abdullah. Do you agree?
Yes, Mr.
That's right. Thank you so much. Before but is a correct answer. Okay. The second one. Yusuf. Today we have just one Yusuf.
Yes.
Okay, will you please answer number 2? Does it need a comma? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that's right.
Before or.
Yes, sorry, speak up.
Before or.
Yes.
After test.
Test, yes. Okay, after test, yes. Or before or. Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Judy, will you please answer number 3? Judy, yes. Okay, it needs, you mean it needs a comma, right? So if it needs, please do us a favor and tell us where it can be put. Where it can be put. We'll try, okay. Number 3, where it can be put. Yes, it needs a comma, okay, that's right, but the comma should be added. Okay, we said we have 2 simple sentences and they are joined by one of the fanboys and, right? Wendell will look for Raphael, a complete thought with a subject and a verb. Susan will try to find Eric, another complete idea with a subject and a verb. So before and, we should add a comma. Okay? Before and, we should add a comma, right? Yes, okay, thank you. Number 4. Number 4. Isra. Isra. Number 4 is correct. That's right. Yes, number 4 is correct. Good. And number 5? Just a minute. I have to answer the phone for a minute. Okay, Shwan, yeah. I had only an hour to get to the airport, so I threw my clothes into a paper bag. Yes, Abdullah, 5 comma before so. Yes, that's right. Exactly. After the airport or before, so that's right. Okay. Now, please, everybody, we still have exercise B, but we don't have enough time to do it together. So please do it as a homework, a piece of homework until tomorrow, inshallah. Okay? Go ahead. Take a screenshot until tomorrow. Inshallah, bi'Iznillah, we'll do it together and we'll do another thing. Quickly.
Okay, Mr.
All of you, have you done? All of you
Yes,
have you
Mr.
done? Okay. Do you have any question?
No, thank you, Mr.
Welcome. Just a minute. Yes, Mr. Okay, thank you so much. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will have a session, I think, like today at 10:30, inshallah, bismillah.
Yes, Mr. We do.
Okay, goodbye and good luck. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, Mr.
Bye.